This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rochelle Lundy. 4-bedroom, 1.25 bath, small lot, main floor laundry hookups, 1-car garage, located near the dead-end street, near Heelan High School, and path to downtown, steps away. School district stated that schools are: Irving Elementary, 6th graders go to West Middle, then 7th and 8th grade go to North Middle, North High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Rochelle Lundy at 712-255-7310.